Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's very cold here in the Seattle area. Today I want to make this video to show you what my 2012 Toyota RAV4 limited edition four-wheel drive is capable of doing in the snow. Currently we have about 18 inches of snow here in the Seattle area. It's kind of how the whole situation is. It's very snowy here. So this car, even though it is a RAV4, it has remained one of the fastest compact SUV. Toyota was able to achieve that by putting the 3.5 liter V6 engine that is paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. That is the same engine you have in the 2020 Lotus Evora GT, but in that one they supercharged it and it produces more horsepower. And this RAV4 can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds to 7 seconds. So it has remained one of the fastest. Now that same engine is the same engine that powers my wife's 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition, which weighs more, and this is what the front of the RAV4 is like. Beautiful. Yeah, so it performed really well in the snow. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of display why this RAV4 has remained a very great car for you to buy if you're looking into buying something that is a little bit affordable and that will get you to where you want to go. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you a little bit of display with the chains on it. My wife's gonna try and drive it without four-wheel drive. So you can see even without the four-wheel drive, with the chains in front, it's performing really well. So it's going to back up with yeah, so
that was reverse.
oh, okay, so yeah, okay, go. Go. Be careful, there is a pole behind you. Yeah, so with this RAV4 there is a lot that you can actually do. Yeah, so I'm trying to clear snow off the top of my 2012 Toyota RAV4. The whole thing is covered up in snow.